High card, 1 and 2. Everyone has had this one. There are exactly 10 poker hands. Not 9, not 11, 10. 5 cards that do nothing. No pair, no run, no matching suits. Ace Jack 852. And in 7-card poker, the order is quietly wrong. By the river, you will make 2 pair more often than nothing. Most players think the highest card settles it, but all 5 play, in order. When the 5 on the table are already the best hand, yours add nothing. You hold 7-2 on Ace King Queen Jack 9, and so does everybody else. That is playing the board. You can tie, but cannot win. Ace High wins pots. It never wins big ones. 1 pair, 1 and 2.4. This is the hand that has quietly cost you more money than any other. 2 cards of the same rank and 3 that do not matter. 2 kings, 9, 6, 3. Plenty of players believe matching pairs split the pot. But 3 side cards play, and the third has decided real money. You hold Ace 9 on Ace King 6, 3, 2, and you think you have top pair, aces. Every other ace has a bigger side card. Ace Queen, Ace Jack, Ace 10 all beat you. And the only aces that call your bet are the ones already ahead of you. That side card is the kicker, settling the pot whenever 2 players hold the same pair. The pair is the easy part. The kicker is the bill. 2 pair, 1 and 21. It looks like a monster and plays like a bluff catcher, and most players start losing money right here without noticing. 2 different pairs and a 5th card. 2 jacks, 2 4s, a queen. With 7 cards, you can hold 3 pairs, but only the top 2 count. It beats 1 pair and loses to 3 of a kind and above, and it is the only hand here that gets weaker without anyone betting a chip. You hold 9, 8 on 9, 8 Jack, Jack, Ace. You had 2 pair, but the jacks counterfeit your 8, and anybody holding an ace beats you. That is a counterfeit. A community card that makes your pairs meaningless and leaves you playing 1 side card. The board takes it back for free. 3 of a kind. 1 and 47. Now it splits in 2. This is 2 completely different hands wearing the same name, and which one you hold decides whether you get paid or go broke. 3 cards of the same rank plus 2 spares, 3 eights, and a king. It beats 2 pair and everything below, and it is the last hand still sitting underneath a straight, which surprises people. That part is simple. Where the 3 cards came from is not. A set is a pair in your hand matching 1 card on the board, and nobody can see it coming. Trips is 1 card in your hand matching a pair already showing, and everybody sees it as clearly as you do. You hold King 9 on 9, 9, 5, 2 queen, and think you have 3 9s with a big kicker, but both 9s are face up. Anyone else with a 9 has your hand, and anyone holding pocket queens, 5s or 2s, already has a full house. A set gets paid. Trips get called by better. Straight. 1 in 255. There are 10 straights in the entire game, 5 high through ace high, the fewest distinct hands of any category on this list. And that is why it is the hand most likely to run into itself. 5 cards in a row, not all the same suit. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. It beats 3 of a kind and everything below, and its one natural enemy sits directly above it, next on this list. 2 things beginners get wrong. The ace plays high or low, but never both. So King Ace 2, 3, 4 is not a straight, while Ace 2, 3, 4, 5 is 1. The lowest there is. You hold 4, 3 on 7, 6, 5, King 2, and think you have a straight. But anyone holding 8, 4 has the same straight 1 rank higher. And you will pay them, because from your seat, this feels like the best hand possible. That bottom end has a name, the idiot end. 10 straights exist. Someone else has one. Flush. 1 in 509. Casual players chase this hand hardest and complete it least. 2 suited cards almost never flop a flush, and the draw misses more often than not. 5 cards of the same suit, not in sequence. Ace Jack 8, 5, 3 all hearts. It beats a straight and everything below, and the hand that takes it down is next. One beginner error here. A higher suit does not win, because suits never break a tie in poker. The highest card does. You hold King Queen of Spades on 9, 6 and 2 of spades, with a jack and a 4, thinking your flush is best. Exactly 1 card beats it, the ace of spades, and it is not on the board, so somebody may hold it. The best hand a board allows is the nuts, and the second nuts is the most expensive seat in poker. Strong enough to raise, never strong enough to win. 4 of a kind, further up this list, has the opposite problem. Nobody pays it, while a flush always gets paid. In flushes, second place costs a stack. Full house. 1 in 694. This is where the biggest pots are lost. Almost every full house in Hold'em is built on a paired board, so the card that made your hand sits face up, offering the same upgrade to everybody else. And it is the rarest hand you will routinely lose with. 3 of a kind plus a pair, 3 queens, and 2 5s. Queens full of 5s. Beginners think fives full of queens is the better hand because queens are higher, but the three of a kind decides first, every time. You hold pocket eights on king king 8 3 2 and think you have a full house, but your three of a kind is eights, and the board's pair is kings, so anybody holding one king has kings full of eights. And there is no version of this hand you are capable of folding. That is a cooler, a very strong hand running into a stronger one, with neither player able to get away. The hand directly above it is four of a kind, and that is next. Paired board, and you have company. Four of a kind, 1 in 4,165, 6 times rarer than a full house, and it wins a fraction of the money. The problem is not that it loses. The problem is that it is too good. All 4 cards of 1 rank plus any 5th card, 4 sevens and an ace. It beats a full house and everything below, and it loses only to a straight flush and a royal flush. One thing gets misread here. 4 of a kind lying on the board does not mean you win, because everybody plays the same 4 cards and the 5th decides it. You hold pocket 9s on 9 9 4 2 jack, so you have 4 9s, but the board is paired. It looks lethal from every other seat. Nobody can call a bet, and the rarest hand most players make this year wins them the blinds. That is the action killer. A hand so strong that the board announcing it frightens off everyone who could pay you. The counter is to play it weakly on purpose, checking and calling until somebody catches up. Quads win pots. They rarely win stacks. Straight flush, 1 in 72,193. 4 of a kind scares the table. This one gets paid. 40 straight flushes exist. 4 of them are royal. A regular player will see one about once a year. 5 cards in a row, all in one suit, topped by anything below an ace. 9 8 7 6 5, all hearts. It beats 4 of a kind and everything below, and it loses only to a royal flush. Beginners call ace through 5 of one suit a royal. It is not. That is the lowest straight flush there is, and it has its own name, the steel wheel. You hold 4 3 of diamonds on 7 6 and 5 of diamonds, with a king and a 2, and where a paired board freezes everybody. 3 connected suited cards hand out reasons to lose money. Any 2 diamonds is a flush, 8 9 is a straight, a pocket 7 is trips. The board that made your hand made everyone else a hand, and that is why this one gets paid. The rarer problem is real and almost never seen. Anybody holding 9 8 of diamonds has a bigger straight flush, and nothing on earth is getting you off this hand. 1 card short of the best hand, royal flush. 1 in 649,740. 10 through ace, all one suit. 4 exist in the deck, 1 per suit, all precisely equal. The only hand rank in poker with no tiebreaker, because there is nothing to compare. It beats everything, and 2 players holding 1 split the pot. It is also the only hand that asks nothing of you. No decision, no read, no discipline. You do not play a royal flush. You are dealt 1. The number is the part people get wrong. 1 in 649,740 is the 5-card figure. While in Hold'em you see 7 cards, and there it is 1 in 30,940. Roughly 20 times more likely and still a lifetime for most players. You hold ace-king of spades on queen-jack and 10 of spades with a 4 and a 2, 3 to a straight and 3 to a flush lie face-up. Every opponent sees what is possible, and the pot you win is usually the one you built yourself. The nuts is the best hand a board allows, and it changes every time a card turns over. This is the one hand that can never stop being it. The rarest hand in poker is the only one that requires no skill at all, and the hand that decides whether you win money is the one this video started with.